Hi, I'm Lacey Rodriguez and I suffer from thinning hair. So today I'm going to show you how to camouflage your scalp and your thinning areas, bald areas with a cool product called the SureThik Hair Fibers. It works like magic. So when you get it, it's this little canister and it has this kind of shaker top, which is great for really large areas, but if you're going to try to camouflage like your part area, I really recommend getting the starter kit that comes with the pump and a few of the different nozzles because it's going to help so much. To use the pump, you're gonna wanna take off the lid and the shaker top, and then you're just gonna twist on the pump like that. And it comes with a few different nozzles, different sizes. I like this one, that's kind of an oval shape. So you're just gonna twist it on the end, and then it has this little blue stopper. You can actually just put this right here. There's like a little space for it so you don't lose it. And this works by gravity. So you flip it upside down and I'm gonna show you how you're gonna camouflage this part area. The starter kit also comes with one of these little stencils to stencil in a hairline instead of it being like really messy. This keeps it a lot cleaner. So the trick to this is starting with really small sections. I have my hair parted down the middle, and instead of filling in all of my part, I want some scalp to show so it looks like a part. So I'm going to go just to the side of that area, and I'm gonna tip this upside down, and then I'm just gonna squeeze the pump all over this new part. And I'll show you how that's gonna camouflage. It's all of a sudden gonna make this look a lot smaller. And if you get too much, you can always like scrape a little bit off with a comb. Okay, I'm gonna go on to the next section. This takes a lot of practice because sometimes it can be too much product, sometimes it's not enough. You just really have to play with it until you find your sweet spot. Okay, right here around my temples, I really have just some baby hairs. So I'm gonna use this stencil to give it a good hairline. And then I just kind of blend it out with my finger. Okay, I've done this side, now I'm gonna work on this side. Now it's time for the back area, and since I have such a lot of hair loss back there, it's a larger area, and since I'm not worried about a part, I'm gonna go ahead and use the shaker piece. I'm gonna use a mirror. This is a little tricky. You need a mirror and like a big mirror so you can see the back. Okay, once you've got it all on, you wanna just kind of pat it down with your hands. This is you're gonna get a little bit messy, but this is gonna help it kind of adhere to your hair and stick on those individual hair strands. Okay, once you feel like you've pretty much gotten it, I like to gently comb through my hair. I try not to touch my scalp, but just to kind of like, so your hair's not stuck to your scalp, it really helps to camouflage that. And then use a little light hold hairspray. And voila.